So, this is you. Endlessly scrolling through YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, just to find the perfect mods for your car, but scared they'll look dreadful?
Well, you're in luck because today we're going to talk about the best car mods you can put on your car. These are guaranteed to make your car go from this to this. So without further ado, let's get into the first one.
So boys, the first thing on the list is these brake calipers. So boys, these brake calipers are absolutely so nice. And basically what the mod is it's not entirely new brake calipers, it's just spray painting your old ones. So you know, when you look far away like this, they look awesome, boys. So that's what it is. So not only spray paint calipers red, you can spray paint them blue, light blue. I see a lot of people do. Yellow looks okay sometimes. What I reckon, it all depends on the colour of your car and your wheels. Oh yeah, this side is much better to see. Look at that in there, boys. That is so nice. And it's a really easy mod to do, boys. So boys, the next mod on this list is actually something underneath this bad boy. This is it right here, boys. The Ram Air Pro Ram air filter. So boys, if you guys don't know what this does here, basically, well, it says it in the name, it is an air filter, so it filters the new air coming in through the radiator right there. It comes in through this pipe here, it filters into this using this little bit, as you can see there, filters up, takes this in here, and then pushes it into the engine. So that's what a normal air filter would do. However, a performance air filter, actually, the main reason people buy this is because of the sound. The sound sounds so nice, these Pro Ram ones. I'm going to show you in a minute. But basically, what they do, guys, basically they can increase horsepower by up to 15 horsepower, these guys. This is 15 horsepower maybe. On some cars doesn't increase that much, but it 100% will increase your horsepower. That is because the engine has to do less work to get it going. So I'm just going to show you guys what it sounds like now. So boys, next one on the list is something a little bit different. It is wind deflectors. So basically guys, what these do is it means you can have your window a little bit down, like right here. You can have your window right there. So when you're on the motorway, if you have your window down there without this, you'll hear the vroom 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 noise. Basically you don't want that, so these right here stop that noise entirely. It's so good. When I'm on the motorway, I have my windows down a little bit and enjoy it. Also, you can have your windows down a little bit in the rain, which is just amazing, boys. These are a no-brainer, and look what they look like for your car. These guys look so nice on your car. Look at that, boys. So boys, for the fourth one, it is new brakes on your car. Make sure to stick around for the last one, guys, because the last one is the best one here by a mile. So guys, as you could see, you can see the new brake discs right there. You can see how clean they are. And then if you can kind of see the wheels kind of blocking it, the new pads. So basically what we did is we replaced the new front pads and the front pads and the new front discs on both wheels. Basically, because what we found is that no matter if your car has over 50,000 miles, that is like past the expiry date on what brakes should give you. So we left the back ones for now, but we're definitely going to change them soon. But the front ones, that is way past the expiry date on what they should do. So with 50,000 miles in a bit, I think. But after that, your brakes are pretty much had it, and they're nowhere gonna be as reliable as if you get new ones. And boys, when you get new brakes, you feel like you're driving a Formula 1 car, bro. The speed you can brake, they're so good. So 100%, I'd invest in new brakes. Maybe it's a little maintenance one, but oh my God, does it feel nice when you've got some new brakes on there. So boys, the last one on the list, in my opinion, easily the best one, the most impactful. We have the Cobra Sport exhaust. So boys, this exhaust sounds crazy. We're going to get into it in just a minute, but basically we have got this Cobra Sport exhaust, will be in the link in the description. It is a rear, we've still got the rear box in there, we've still got the silencer because I didn't want it to be too loud, but it just makes it sound so much louder. It's not needed at all to have that rear silencer, to get rid of that rear silencer. It is so good, boys, but you've all been waiting for the sound test. Let's go. As you can see, the sound of that is insane, boys. I absolutely love this car. Anyway, guys, that is the end of the video. However, I have not showed you all the possible things you can do for your car. So, if you want to see the best accessories you put on your car, click up here.